Hi dear students, how are you all? I hope you will fine and I welcome you to science class for class 7, and today we are going to learn the remaining thing that we left in the previous class. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. So in previous class we learned about some indicators. Okay, so indicator are the substances which when react with acid and bases they show some change in color. Okay, yes. So just like we take the example of litmus solution, so when this litmus solution is added with the acid, so its color changes to red. Okay, and when this litmus solution is added with the bases, its color changes to blue. Okay, yes. Then when this China rose solution indicator is added with the acid, its color changes to magenta, that is pink, and when it is added to bases, its color changes to green. Okay, so so here both in acid also, in bases also the color is here changing, here also with acid and bases color is changing. Okay, but in case of phenolphthalein, when this phenolphthalein is added with acid, there is no change in color. Okay, but when it is added with the bases, its color changes to magenta, that is pink in color. Okay, similarly when this turmeric solution is added when turmeric solution is added with the acid, okay, so its color do not change, but when the bases are added with the turmeric solution, its color changes to a red brown color. Okay, yes. So you can see here in case of phenolphthalein and in case of turmeric, their color do not change with the with acid. Okay, acids or we can say the acid has no effect on turmeric and phenolphthalein. Okay, yes. Then if you dip a piece of paper in this, so we'll get a red paper because its solution is red. Okay, so this is litmus, that is why. So the red will be the acidic paper. Okay, and here the blue one. Okay, if you dip here paper, its color will change into blue. Okay, and that will be basic. Okay, yes. So this one, red one is acidic and blue one is basic. Okay, so when we will add acid, okay, we'll add acid. Okay, lemon juice. Okay, if we add lemon juice, so since it is acidic, its color will not change because it is already acid. Okay, क्योंकि पहले से acid है, इसके लिए इसका कलर चेंज नहीं होगा. लेकिन अगर ये बेसिक है और इस पर अगर एसिड ऐड करेंगे तो ये इसका कलर जो है रेड हो जाएगा. ओके, यस. अभी ये एसिड है, ये बेस है. अभी इस पर कोई अलग एक्सटर्नल बेसिस ऐड करेंगे तो ये, अगर इस पर बेसिस ऐड करेंगे then its color will not change, but if you are adding based on the red litmus, its color will change into blue. Okay, yes. So we had discussed the general properties of acid in a previous class, and today we will discuss the properties of bases. Okay, so by comparing both we will discuss. Okay, yes. So the acids have a sour taste, whereas the bases, okay, what are all these things? These are the properties of bases. What are all these? These are the property of acid. Okay, उसकी क्या खूबी है, उसकी क्या विशेषताएं हैं. Okay, yes. So these are the properties. Okay, yes. So bases, okay, and acids. Okay, so acid have a sour taste and bases are the bitter taste. Okay, yes, bitter. Okay, yes. Then they, since they are acidic, so they will not change the red litmus. Okay, they will not change red litmus, but they will change the blue litmus because this blue is acidic. Okay, yes. So same thing is written there. They turn the blue litmus solution to red. Okay, but do not change the red litmus. Okay, yes. Then it is opposite here. They turn the red litmus to the blue, but do not affect the blue litmus. Okay, yes. Then next is they do not affect turmeric solution. Okay, and they do not affect phenolphthalein. Okay, yes. See here, they do not affect like acid do not affect phenolphthalein, they do not affect turmeric, okay, but they affect China rose and the litmus, okay. Yes. So they do not affect turmeric solution, they do not affect phenolphthalein solution, but this in turmeric solution with the bases yellow turmeric solution, reddish brown, okay, then this bases turn phenolphthalein solution to pink, okay. Yes. Then China rose solution, it changes into green, okay. Yes. And then China rose solution changes into deep pink, okay. Yes. Then minerals such as sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid are the highly corrosive, and here also these are also corrosive, like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, okay. Yes. So wherever it is written hydroxide, oxide, okay, oxide, it means they are bases, oxide, calcium oxide, okay. So they are corrosive also, okay. Yes. Then most of the acids are soluble in water, but these are not insoluble, okay. Then acid solution are in water good conductor of electricity, okay. This is the another property. And here these bases are slippery in touch, okay. If you will touch it, so it will be very slippery, just like you touch the soap solution, so it will be very slippery, okay. Yes. So the next is neutralization, okay. What is neutralization? That when two things opposite, when two opposite things meet, okay, react or meet, here they react, when they meet, so they cancel out each other, okay. Just like if a car is going with the speed 100 kilometer per hour, okay, and another car is coming in front with the same speed 100 kilometer per hour, so when they will hit each other, so they will affect equally, okay. Yes. So similarly okay, another example, suppose you have a white color and black color, so when you will mix with each other, where red and white, you will get a different color, that is the gray, okay. Yes. So similarly, when acid and bases, okay, when acid and bases are added with each other with same amount, okay, with same amount, then they produces salt plus water plus heat, okay. Yes. So what is neutralization? The process due to which an acid completely react with a base, an acid completely react with base with the evolution of heat, okay, to form salt and water. What is forming? Salt and water, okay, and the only product is called neutralization, okay. Yes. So whenever acid and bases react with each other, they produce salt and water plus heat. Heat means if you touch this flask, you will feel that it is hot, so you can say that it is hot, okay. Yes. Just say in this case they have taken the HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, and NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide. So when this NaCl and sodium hydroxide react with each other, they form NaCl, sodium chloride, okay, that is a salt, okay, and H2O, that is a water, and plus there will be heat production, okay, means when you touch this you will feel heat, okay. Yes. Okay, so what are the examples of neutralization in daily life? Okay, so neutralization means if something is acidic, so when you will add the same amount of base, okay, then its acidic nature will be cancelled out, okay, means when both things will come together, they will cancel out, okay. Yes. So one example is indigestion, okay. So whenever we are in tension, okay, we are in worry, okay, or we eat very spicy food, okay, so our stomach secrete too much of acid. Okay, that which kind of acid our stomach secrete? That is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Okay, so this chemical, this acid is helpful to digest our food. Okay, but when it is it is secreted in more amount, एक कभी जब ज़्यादा amount में secrete होने लगता है, then it create a problem. Okay, when it is secreted in more amount, जब हमें बहुत ज़्यादा टेंशन हो, किसी चीज़ का फियर हो, वरी हो. ओके, एंड व्हेन वी ईट स्पाइसी फूड. ओके, यस. सो when this stomach wall they secrete the more amount of acid, so we feel burning in our stomach. Okay, so what can be done? We go to doctor and doctor gave you some basic tablet. Okay, it give you a tablet which is basic in nature, and when you eat it, so when it come in your stomach, this basic will react with acid. Okay, and they will form means the acidic nature will be reduced. Okay, they will form salt and water. Okay, yes, and this acidic nature will be reduced. Then it is used in soil treatment. Okay, yes. How? So plant grow best in the neutral soil. Okay, neutral, which is not acidic, which is not basic. Okay, which is not basic, which is not acidic, so that will be called as a neutral. Okay, neutral. Okay, yes. So sometime this soil become acidic. Why? Because of the uses of fertilizers का यूज करते हैं, उससे जो सॉइल है वो एसिडिक हो जाता है. ओके, यस. एंड सम टाइम व्हेन वी लीव द रूट ऑफ द प्लांट. ओके, वी लीव द root of the plant. Okay, so we cut it and we leave this root in the same field. Okay, so due to this also sometime acidic nature increases. Okay, so how can we make it neutral? Okay, we add a lime water. Okay, we add or calcium hydroxide. Okay, calcium hydroxide. Okay, CaOH. Okay, so when we add it, so it become neutral. Okay, and then our crop will grow very healthy. Okay, yes. And sometime it is at some places it is basic. Okay, this soil is basic, so we add some acid. Okay, we add manure that is acidic in nature, and when this acid react with bases, so this soil become neutral. Okay, yes, and then we can grow our crop healthy. Okay, yes. Then next example is factory waste. Okay, so the many times factory waste they do not treat it. Okay, they directly put it in the river. Okay, they directly put it in the river. Okay, and that water is very acidic in nature. Okay, it is very acidic, काफ़ी acidic nature होता है ये. Okay, yes, and due to its acidic, when it is mixed with this river, so the fish and the other animal which live in this river, they die. Okay, yes. So that is why before releasing this water into river, they should be treated. Okay, they should be treated with bases. Okay, it's like lime. Okay, lime is also a basic. Okay, so when they will treat with the basic, it will become neutral and it will not be much harmful. Okay, yes. Then preservation of milk. Okay, so what happen when you keep the milk for a very long time? Okay, so it start curdling. Okay, उसमें इसकी वो कर्ड होने लगता है. Okay, yes. Why? Because the bacteria present in it, they start producing acid. So due to this acid, this milk start curdling. But when the person who carry this milk from village and they go to the village and go to the city. Okay, so during this traveling, sometime it can be can be converted into curd. Okay, and that will be lost. Okay, yes. So to prevent it curding, okay, they add some basic. What kind of basic? So baking soda. So baking soda is basic. Okay, So when they add basic and some bacteria produce acid, so acid and bases react with each other and they neutralify, वो एक दूसरे को कैंसिल कर देते हैं और फिर वाटर और कुछ सॉल्ट बन जाएगा उसमें, और जो दूध है, जो मिल्क है, वो वैसे का ऐसे रहेगा, वो ख़राब नहीं होगा. ओके, यस. देन वन मोर एग्जांपल इज़ द एंट इंस्टिंग. ओके, जब भी कोई मधुमक्खी या कभी कोई चींटी है जो काट देती है, तो उसमें से क्या करते हैं, वो कुछ फॉर्मिक एसिड जो हमारे बॉडी में इंजेक्ट कर देते हैं. ठीक है, सो वो फॉर्मिक एसिड की वजह से वी फील इरिटेशन एंड स्वेलिंग. ओके, एंड इट कॉज स्वेलिंग. ओके, सो हम इसको कैसे न्यूट्रलाइज कर सकते हैं, कैसे इससे वी कैन गेट रीड ऑफ इट. ओके, सो वी शुड पुट हियर सम बेसिक. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बेसिक? सो लाइक you can okay, soap solution और बेकिंग सोडा. ओके, बेकिंग सोडा के सॉल्यूशन अगर इस पर पुट करेंगे जहाँ पे इसने एंट ने बाइट किया है, सो वो न्यूट्रल कर देगा एसिड को, और फिर हमें स्वेलिंग जो है वो चली जाएगी और हमें इरिटेशन भी नहीं होगा. ओके, यस. सो दीज वर द सम न्यूट्रलाइजेशन एग्जांपल्स ऑफ न्यूट्रलाइजेशन इन एवरीडे लाइफ. ओके, yes, so here we completed acid and bases, okay, and salt. Okay, yes, and this chapter we finish here. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, yes, you have some question here. What is neutralization? Write the process of write 5 properties of bases, then explain 3 example of neutralization in daily life. Okay, so yes, so try to answer these questions. Thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay fit, keep on studying. Bye bye.